Hey guys, you didn't know it's gonna be a cooking channel? Well, me neither. But me and my boo, we about to cook some curry chicken and some roti. But right now we are gonna show y'all how to make the roti. So tell us what we need.
First, we need 4 cups of flour. Today,
4.
we'll do.
Now we
What
gotta
is it,
get
4, right?
Yes.
So we'll do 2 teaspoons.
Baking powder, right?
Yes.
Okay.
You could do 1 teaspoon of baking powder, but you could do. Let's do 1
Teaspoon,
and a half
right?
teaspoon, yeah.
1.5.
Yeah. How you do that? There.
1. How do you do half? Is that like a half?
Whenever
I guess you just what did they told you to stop?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, Granny. She was like, stop. Okay, now what?
We'll do a little dash of salt.
Oh, I thought that was a spin top.
Okay. You just dash it in there.
Dash it.
And then we'll mix it up. So
So now we got our little ball. We let it sit for, you said 30 minutes to an hour? 30 minutes.
The longer you can let it sit, some people let it sit for an hour. So the longer you let it sit,
The better. So we're just gonna let it do its thing until, I think we're gonna do the chicken now.
yeah.
We're gonna start on the chicken and then we will come back to our lovely roti, which is damn near almost the best part of the chicken curry. So we'll let this baby do its thing. She is, what are you doing? Yes, mixing and seasoning the chicken already. So I'm just basically going to tell you what is in it. Some pepper, fresh ground pepper, some cumin, some Miss Dash, some ground thyme. You gotta have the time for everything. Paprika, and oh, that's it. Of course, the Lawry's. And also the main ingredient, curry. This curry powder is, which one is this called? What kind of curry is this?
Madras curry.
Some Madras curry. So it's from Guyana. So bomb. Oh, I cannot wait till this is done, you guys. I haven't had this in about too many years. So the last time we had this, we came back from the club. Yes, that was the last time I had it, when we came back from the club. It was me, you, and Sylvia lined up like it was a soup kitchen.
You know what that's called when they do that in there? It's called a soup kitchen. It's pretty rough stuff.
Waiting for the microwave. So we got our ground up, I mean not ground, but minced garlic and our minced onion. She said we're gonna put this in the frying pan.
Yeah, so we're gonna saute it.
We're gonna saute it and then, but yeah, I'll get all that stuff because I don't really know the steps. And then I'm gonna put a picture of what the chicken look like because it's looking bomb right here. Boop, put it over her face. And then, did you add the curry yet? Girl, we doing it the easy way.
We're doing it the easy way.
The millennium the millennial way. We ain't got time to be slaving in this hot kitchen. Lies you tell. So we're gonna put it in the Instapot and it's still gonna be bomb. Who cares?